everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Today we'll be making some easy peasy hairstyles, so watch the video till the end. So further we'll be making this beautiful gorgeous bun, so roll the hairs like this and rotate it. Now pull out the hairs from the sides. Now we will fix the hairs by rolling it upward. Pull out the hairs carefully as shown in the video. Now comb it properly. After that we will tie it from the bottom, fold it upward and fix it to make a bun. Rotate it first and then tie it upward and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, take the hairs from both the sides, tie it using a rubber band, now rotate it. Now we will make the plaits on the rest of the hairs, tie them totally and properly, fold it upward and fix it to make a bun and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we will take the hairs from both the sides, tie it on the back using a rubber band. After that, we will divide the hairs into two parts. Now on the left side, we will tie the rubber band, fix it from the between as well. Now fold it and then fix it on the alternative sides. So fix it like this. Now on the right side, we will make the plaits and fix it over the bun. Watch the video very carefully and follow each steps along. Fix it and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we will make the plaits on the hairs like this. Take the hairs from the front and then make the plaits. Take the hairs from the sides as well one by one to give the lining effects on the sides. Follow the same step for the other side as well. Pull out the hairs from the sides. After that, we will tie them together on the back as shown in the video. Now after that, we will tie it from the bottom as well. Rotate it from the between. Now fold it upward to make a bun. Fix it using a rubber band or the hairpins and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching.